crew. Sunday, beautiful day, birds are chirping, weather is so nice. We are finally getting a chance to head to the land of thrash to get to rip on the epic track at the amazing Hobbs house. We are so pumped. And we got a couple surprises that we think might spice it up just a little bit more than it already is. So, not going to give too much away, but stay tuned. It could get pretty rowdy. I was just checking out my bike before I was about to load it up, so I got to do a quick tighten on my chain and a quick tighten on my front brakes. And then we'll be good to load these things up and hopefully get on the road real soon. Because I'm down to get into some real fun shenanigans today. So hopefully it's a beautiful Sunday. I'm going to shred with the boys. Always good. Peace. Maintenance finished up. Bike seemed pretty dialed. Shout out as always to Vince and the boys at T-Bolt. Getting the last of my stuff together here. Packing up some of the parts to bring to the Hobster for his new CRF build. We got a Pro Circuit shift shaft brace, couple tubes. We got a bigger throttle tube so you can get rid of that little kid's throttle tube and really shred with the boys. And Vince also sent us both one of these beautiful kinetic billet gas caps. Again, shout out to Vince and the boys. Kinetic with the quality piece. And any of you who know and own a CRF, the gas caps, the stock gas cap is prone to fail. So these are a definite must for anybody who really puts in some time on these things. So as always, shout out Vince. Thanks for taking care of the boys. And we're stoked.
Look, I started with $1 and a dream, right? So I can show these people how to dream.
Loaded. Got all our supplies. Got some merch. Got some goodies for Hob and some of the other boys. And now all we're waiting on is my wife or my sister to get here so I can hit the road. Danger Dan, you need to hurry up and move closer because I'm tired of loading your bike by myself. It's really not that bad, but sometimes it's just annoying. But yeah, we're stoked. We're ready to roll. About to hit the road. Later.
Are you recording?
Auntie Sam's here to relieve me
Coming in hot.
of my dad duties.
Where are your children?
They're inside.
Oh, okay.
Oliver's sleeping.
Oh, he is?
P is playing on the computer.
Nice. What are you about to do?
About to head to the land of thrash, rip some pit bikes, and shoot each other with paintball guns.
Nice. Oh, that's fun. While you're riding, you're going to shoot each other? Oh my God. Don't get hurt. I'm not taking over your dad duties full time. Don't get hurt.
Alright boys, we're in the truck. It's official, we are on the road. We are heading to land of thrash. We got about an hour drive. Hopefully we don't hit any traffic. Our arrival time is 12:42, so see you boys when we get there. Let's fire it up. Fucking shitty Schuylkill, Philadelphia traffic, so definitely increased our ETA, but we're still rolling, still getting there. Quick update, still sitting in fucking traffic. We're finally starting to move a little bit. Just pulled over for a quick piss break. I felt like I was gonna piss in my pants, but looks like things are finally starting to break up and we're moving a little faster, so hopefully we can make up for some time. What is good? We just rolled up, land of thrash. We finally fucking made it with all the traffic. Getting out now. Gonna try and figure out what's going on with the rest of the crew, so here we go.
ride, they said.
Yeah.
I'm not riding, but I'm still gonna help this.
You doing in there?
Not really.
Fake it till you make it?
Yeah.
Oh, repping for the boys, dude. Did you say you hit horse and buggy traffic?
Absolutely.
Oh, you're like
Lancaster
Lancaster.
My best friend looked me dead into the eyes. Said you don't even know me no more. 20 units of liquid happiness, turning none into a whore. I ask myself, what happened to the people? And where do they go? I ask myself, what happened to my needle?
Water got it in.
Keeping the track fresh for us.
Where is my soul?
I almost got wadded up in that one corner though, got a little slick.
Yeah, working it a little bit.
Sometimes demons hold the key to heaven's door. He said I wanna die if I keep going on this way, but it's not too late to change the course. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I ask myself, what happened to all the people? And where do they go? And I ask myself, what happened to my needle? What happened to my soul? My best friend looked me dead into the eye. Said he don't even know me no more. 20 units of liquid happiness, turn a nun into a whore.
I think we're about to break out the paintball guns.
Shit's about to get weird.
It's gonna be funny watching somebody get lit up.
You gonna get shot with a paintball gun?
Probably.
Alright, I respect it. I respect it.
I'm talking shit.
I asked Rowdy if he was gonna get shot with a paintball gun. What are your thoughts?
I don't really want to.
Does that matter?
But I don't know if we heard.
I feel like that's like, you know, like you can't be a shootee if you're not willing to be a shooter.
I never wanted to be a shootie or a shooter. I just want to film.
Okay.
But I mean, if nobody else wants to do it, like, I'll set the standard.
Hey, Walnuts, how's your thoughts on the fucking paintball games?
Paintball game, it's gonna hurt, but it's like fun because I get to shoot people.
You're bad than the paintball gun.
I'm just gonna get you with one shot. Stand behind me.
Maybe two.
Oh yeah.
Don't hit me in the nuts, you fuckers.
How many shots you want?
Back up to the tree.
My aim's bad though. How many do you think?
Start low. Start lower, then higher.
They're not even breaking.
Yeah, that sucks worse.
He was taking them like a man. Did they belt?
Now. Yo, he was just taking shots.
You have no control over where these go at all.
That one hurt the worst.
Hand, dude, that's fucked up.
Oh my gosh, this guy's got welts. Welts and a lot of scars. Dude.
What the fuck? And the kneecap?
And
Yeah, that was hot, bitch ass. Shot me right in the shoulder blade.
that was good, dude. Did any of these guys get hit?
We got him good in our
Yeah, I took them all over.
Oh! No way.
It's still in the air. Someone's out of air. You got the protection plan, huh?
Yeah, we might have to clean it up a little bit first, though.
I think
if I can explain how it landed in a gallon of paint.
I think you should just send it back like that. What do you think, East Coast? Who's shooting the house?
Paintball joust going down.
You get it!
Someone to give us a go.
Get it, old son!
Yep. On your mark. Get set. Go!
Oh shit, I don't want to be standing right here. Fuck.
Oh my god.
Oh! Oh shit, don't put that over here.
Yeah, no. Cut! I think you hit me once. I think I won.
I think you won too.
Dude, I'm recording now. Ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3.
Cause I'm good for broke.
Yo! Big dog!
That's a
Good. Just leaving the land of Thrash. We're all packed up. Finally got to ride the track. Really pumped because just super fun. Ended up being a lot more of the boys here than we expected. And we got to do some pretty cool activities with some paintball guns. So it really livened up the day, I guess you could say. So heading home. A little bit of rain, but not too much. We were able to enjoy the whole day, so stay tuned. Peace. Home sweet home. Bikes are unloaded, put away. All my stuff's out the truck. Epic day with the boys, as always. Got a lot of footage to go through. And a lot of stuff to clean. My camera's filthy, my bikes are filthy, but none of it's getting done tonight. So stay tuned. See you guys later in the week. Again, thanks for watching.